All right, let's get into it. If you feel like your hair just refuses to grow or it grows but then breaks right off, this video is for you. Hey y'all, I'm Alicia, founder of Harmony Strands, and I specialize in gray hair care, scalp health, and natural texture revival. And today we're talking about something I hear all the time from clients and even people online. Why won't my hair grow? The truth is, your hair is growing. But for a lot of us, especially with textured or graying hair, that's what's really happening is you're not retaining length. That could be from dryness, breakage, rough handling or detangling, skipping deep conditioning, or just not protecting your ends. And don't let social media fool you. It's not always about expensive products. I've seen people grow waist-length hair using grease and basic shampoo just because their technique and consistency were solid. So here are a few things I see over and over that hold people back. You're not sealing in your moisture. You're putting in a leave-in, maybe a little oil, but you're not locking it in for real. Your scalp is dry, tight, and irritated, but you're not giving it regular love. You're over manipulating your hair or not stretching it enough before styling. And most of all, you're switching products too often instead of just staying consistent. If this sounds like you, don't worry, it's fixable. What works, especially for gray or natural hair, is simple but powerful. Wash and condition regularly. You don't have to wash every week, but when you do, cleanse and moisturize well. Always seal in moisture with something rich. Yes, even old school hair grease or your favorite hair butter. Focus on your scalp. Massage it, oil it, let it breathe. Keep your ends protected. That's where you lose length the fastest. I've seen my clients' hair transform just by following these basic steps consistently. Listen, your hair isn't broken. You just need a plan that works for your crown. If you're ready to grow your hair and keep it growing without chasing trends, hit that subscribe button. And drop a comment if you want me to share my exact hair growth routine or give you a protective style plan that works. Thanks for watching. Your hair can thrive, and I'm here to help you get there.